So I decided to randomly pick a place on the map and go check that place out today. I wanted to follow the arrow to the beach. I noticed on this map of the park, someone wrote the word troll. And lo and behold, there definitely was a troll, to my surprise. I've been hiking and it's all uphill. And I'm struggling. I'm struggling to make it. Just trying to take a breather right now. Wish me luck. I didn't do much filming at this park because quite honestly, I was really dead set on walking and getting exercise, and I've worn myself out that I'm dripping sweat. My face is red. It is absolutely beautiful here. Maybe I'll come here again, but this is one time I definitely pushed myself way too far, and I'm probably going to have to rest for several days now. But it's definitely nice out right now, and I've enjoyed it.